Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, for the first you have to open the menu, go for the Samsung folder and then open the voice recorder. And right now we can start recording sounds. And if you want to stop, you have to click right here, and we can of course rename our record. We can set the category, then click save, and here we get our record. And if you want to stop. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!